How to create user account on your MacBook. To create your MacBook user, go to Apple icon, then go to system setting, then scroll down, then you can see the user and group. You have to press on user and group. Then if you are in office, then you can add a group, and if you want to add a user only, then press on add user. Press on add user, then you have to unlock your Mac with your current password. Press on unlock. Now you have to enter your full name, suppose I am, and you have to enter your account name as well. You can customize as well. Enter a password and verify your password again. Now password hints, and press on create user. And you can also change as a administrator or standard or only share only. So I am using standard account. Press on create user, and account is created. And if you want to delete user, just press on this icon and delete user, it will be delete. Or if you want to reset password, you can reset password. Okay, so hope video helpful. Please do like and do subscribe. If you have any question, feel free to ask in comment section below. Have a good day.